Hi children, on this video we are going to see together and explain the answers to this part 1 that you worked on last week. So I am going to play the recording and at the end of the recording we will be discussing it, okay?
1. Can you see the man in the car?
Yes.
Well, that's my dad. His name's Paul.
What? The man who's waving?
Yes, that's him.
He looks nice.
Okay, this is Paul. You heard the word car. You also heard that he is waving. So the man in the car who is waving is Paul.
2. And do you know the person who works in the bookshop?
No, I don't. What's her name?
She's Anne.
Is she standing next to the door?
Yes, that's right. She's the one holding the books.
A lot of information here. The person who works at the bookshop, you heard that she is standing next to the door. She's holding books. So this is Anne.
3. And Jill's my aunt. She's got a dog. Can you see her?
There are 2 women with dogs.
Yes. Well, Jill's the one running. Her dog's very strong.
Oh, yes. She's got curly hair.
Yes, that's her.
A lot of things that help us here. First of all, this is one of the cases when we have 2 things or 2 people. So 2 things or 2 people that are similar. Here, the 2 women have got dogs. So we need to spot the differences. So you heard that the one that we are talking about is running. She's got curly hair. And also we heard that her dog is very strong. So this is Jill.
4. What's the name of the woman in the cake shop?
The one with the orange dress?
Yes, she's the one.
Oh, she's Jane.
Right.
So a lot of things helped us here. Cake shop, orange dress. So this is Jane.
5. And who's the man coming out of the cake shop?
You mean the man carrying a very big cake?
Yes.
His name's Sam.
Thank you.
So the man coming out of the cake shop, the man carrying a cake, a big cake, and this is Sam. In part 2 now, let's listen and discuss the answers.
1. What sport do you want to try? Do you like hockey? Yes, but I like tennis best.
So the question was, what sport do you want to try? Then the lady asked him, do you like hockey? And the answer was, yes, but I like tennis best. And then,
That's nice. Do you play at school? No, I don't. But my friend does, and he loves it. Okay, so that's tennis then.
so that's tennis then, which means that this is the final decision. That's his favorite sport. It was clear, I like it best. And the woman noted down this piece of information. Let's continue with the rest. Here we have the teacher's name. When we have names, we got to be very careful because we will need to hear the spelling.
And your teacher's name is Mr. Lewis. Is that Louis?
So the lady asks, is that Lois? But
No, it isn't. It's Lewis. Oh, thanks.
so the name is spelled Lewis. In number 3, we have the address, and it's 3 High Street. And here we have green with the word that is missing. Quite often, the addresses have something that is easy to find. For example, you may see the word hill, or as we have here, the word park. Things that have to do with land features. So let's see.
Three. Now, can you tell me your address, Tom? Yes, it's number 3. Number 3? High Street. High Street. Okay. And that's in Green Park? Green Park, yes. Right. Good.
In this last part, we take a look at the words that we already have so that we can guess what we might need. First of all, we read here, things to bring. And here we see water. So we can guess that we may need to bring something to eat. And here it says sweater. We can guess that we need something that is close to this. So let's listen.
Good. Four. Now then, this part is for your mum, okay? Okay. It tells you what to bring to class with you. Do I need to bring sandwiches? Yes, you do. Sandwiches and a drink of water, of course. Okay.
So here he asked whether he could bring sandwiches. The lady said yes, and she added that she had to bring water too. And let's go to the last part now.
Five. And you need to bring a sweater to put on after class. My school sweater? Yes, that's fine. And one more thing. Bring a towel for after the game, because it's very hot in the sports centre. Okay. Enjoy the class, Tom. Thank you.
So the last thing that the lady asked was a towel for after the game because it's too hot in the sports center. And that's the end of part 2. For number 3, part 3, things are rather clear because here we have the words zoo, we have the word sports center, we have the word train station, we have the word library, and finally we have the word shopping center. Now I'm going to let the recording play. Just listen for the words clever, cousin, clever, and library for the first one. Charlie and shopping center for the second one. Sports center practices scoring goals for the third one, which has to do with her brother. Penguins and zoo for the fourth one. That's for her sister. And train and train station for her dad and the last one.
Look, this is a picture of my cousin. He's really clever. I don't see him very often.
Oh? Why not?
Well, he goes to the library every day after school and at the weekend too. It's a nice building and it's very quiet inside, so he really likes working there.
Oh, I see. Now, who's that boy there?
Oh, that's my brother's friend, Charlie.
So, what's his favourite place?
Well, he enjoys going to the shopping centre with friends on Saturdays. There's a really nice cafe where they go because it does great milkshakes. And there's also a cinema there.
That's good. So, you've got a brother then, Lily?
Yes, but he's older than me and he isn't at home very often. He's always at the sports centre. He plays different games there and practices scoring goals and things like that.
Wouldn't you like to go there with him?
No, I think that's boring. I go to dance lessons.
There's a photo of your little sister here, Lily. Tell me about her.
Oh, well, she loves penguins. Mum and Dad take us to the zoo sometimes so she can see them. And the man there says she can feed them too.
So, do you like going there?
I do, yes. But there are other places I like better.
So, what's your dad's favourite place?
Well, he goes to work by train. He says he loves the train station because it isn't too busy at 7 o'clock in the morning. He takes his e-book with him and reads it there, or does some work on his laptop.
Well, I wouldn't like to do that every day.
So by now you should have a clear idea of how you must work on each of the 3 parts of the listening examination. Thank you for watching. Bye, children.